Hey guys, so we got some news for you today that's pretty exciting. There is another automaker trying to reinvent the back end of a pickup truck. Take a look at this, the all-new Ram Multifunction Tailgate. So what does the Multifunction Tailgate do? Well, it has a 60-40 split just to the passenger side of the tailgate handle, and that allows it to essentially open up like a pair of barn doors. Now, the first obvious advantage of this is that you're able to step in a little closer to your bed when you're trying to access things, but Ram also lists a number of other advantages, such as making curbside loading easier, allowing for a forklift to load and unload things that much easier, and making it easier to wash out your bed. Now, added in along with this new multifunction tailgate is a new step that goes in the center of the truck, so when those barn doors are open, you can step up right into the center of your bed. So with the multifunction tailgate, there are a total of 4 different positions. There's left door open only, right door open only, the regular tailgate function, because you can drop both of those panels down, so it's essentially a normal tailgate, and then you have both open. And Ram says that the tailgate doors open up to 88 degrees. Now, the tailgate has a weight rating of 2,000 pounds, so when it's operating in its normal mode, this is just essentially a regular tailgate. So what is this thing going to cost? Well, first of all, Ram says that the multifunction tailgate will be available on all 7 trims of the 2019 1500, and if you want to add it, it is going to be a $995 option in the US. Oh, and that new center-mounted bed step, that can be had for an extra $295. So Ram's new multifunction tailgate arrives in the wake of GMC's Multi-Pro tailgate, so how do the two stack up? Well, first of all, Ram is allowing you to have it on every trim, where right now, GMC only allows you to get Multi-Pro on its top trim truck. So there's one difference right there. Now, one of the shared advantages is being able to get in closer to your bed and closer to your cargo, although the Ram will allow you to get even closer because there's no tailgate in front of you at all. Now, the advantage of the GMC that the Ram doesn't have is that big wide step that drops down and that load stop that's built right into the tailgate. You can't find those on the Ram Multifunction, but Ram is very quick to point out that you can use its new multifunction tailgate when a trailer is hooked up, whereas the GMC tailgate, you can't drop down that intersection if you have a trailer, and if you have a hitch, it might hit your hitch. So I can't really say which one's better or worse. They're both different. They're both going to have different pros and cons. What I can say is that I've already tested the GMC Multi-Pro tailgate, so make sure you go take a look at that video. We can throw a link to it in the description. And the second this Ram Multifunction tailgate hits the market, which by the way is the second quarter of 2019, we're going to get one and we're going to put it to the test right here on TFL. So make sure you go below, hit subscribe, and come back to the channel, because as always, we're going to bring you the latest news, views, and real-world tailgate reviews. See ya.